Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset accessibility settings on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next go down and tap on general management. Then in here go down and tap on reset. Next tap on reset accessibility settings. Then tap on reset settings. Now in here we're going to put in the PIN or password and tap on next. On this screen tap on the reset button and that's it. Accessibility settings has been reset. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.